This, ladies and gentlemen, is the last video, probably ever, the elevator here at Macy's in Glendale. There's another one which is even more epicer. And this one is slow. Slower than my computer. But I'll show you what kind it is. Look who took over. Yeah. Look at that keyhole. Right there. It's a slow elevator, isn't it? Oh. Ah. Floor 2. Believe this one's a hydro. No, believe it or not, it's a 2-story traction. That's rare. Takes a while to level. Let's go back down to 1. Here's the fixtures. Yeah, look who took over. Here's the cab view. Nice track lighting. It's a passive traction. Store 27. There it goes. And we're not going to wait for it, so. When an Otis wants to slam, it will slam.